Are crypto offers a real deal or just hype? If someone wanted to buy your property in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or shares in a tokenized building, would you take it? These kind of offers are popping up more and more in 2025, but that doesn't mean they're always a good idea. Or are they? A few months ago, I had a client receive a full offer in Ethereum. It was exciting, but also confusing. My client's first questions were, will it go smoothly? Can we trust the value? What about taxes? We had to weigh the pros and cons fast. That's why today, I'll be going over with you what to know and do when receiving a crypto-backed offer on your real estate property or with a tokenized asset. First, crypto offers are fast, but can be unstable. Most buyers who are using crypto to purchase real estate are typically tech savvy and want the deal to happen fast, even without traditional bank financing. Now, this can be appealing, but as we all know, crypto can change value wildly overnight. Say you receive an offer for $500K in crypto, and then the next morning it's worth $440K. Most sellers accepting a crypto-backed offer will exchange the funds into cash at contract, either with an escrow or a crypto to cash account. This way, you lock in your value and the deal stays on track. Next, tokenized real estate is still new. Tokenized real estate is split into digital shares like a stock, but it's still not wildly accepted or understood by lenders and some title companies, and there may be some regulations that are unclear in some areas. Receiving a tokenized asset to a seller may sound futuristic, but it can come with some legal questions or other questions that if you're not working with a legal team or a brokerage who is used to handling blockchain real estate deals, you may want to throw caution to receiving these offers. Third, taxes and title can get complicated. The IRS treats crypto as an asset, not currency or cash. That means accepting Bitcoin or Ethereum for your property can trigger capital gains tracking or a ton more paperwork. For buyers, many title companies and escrow companies still don't quite have a handle on cryptocurrency or tokenized assets. Before saying yes, make sure you speak with a legal team or a lawyer and choose a title company that is equipped or has already handled digital assets. This can save you a huge headache later on. Lastly, these offers can attract a different buyer profile. Home buyers who are utilizing crypto or tokenized assets are often younger or international investors who are savvy in digital finance. However, they may not understand the US real estate processes. This can bring up additional questions, slower funding, and extra communication that needs to be handled accordingly. That's why you need an agent who has handled these type of buyers, this buyer profile, or has worked with digital assets previously to make sure we avoid these issues. Crypto and tokenized offers are becoming more common, but they're not right for every seller. If you have questions about selling or accepting one of these modern offers, feel free to reach out to Watters International Realty. And before you go, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and reach out if you have any questions in the comments below.